Hi guys, I'm Suzanne with Backyard University, here to answer all your backyard questions. If you are tired of swatting fungus gnats in your kitchen and around your plants, there are several ways to help get rid of them. Use one or combine several of these great ideas for a gnat-free home. First, did you know that there is a difference between a fungus gnat and a gnat? Fungus gnats refer to a specific type of gnat that primarily affects plants. Gnats is a general term that includes various small flying insects, including fungus gnats, fruit flies, and drain flies. Luckily, whichever you are having a problem with, whether it's in your home or outside gardens, our fungus gnat solutions will get rid of either. Number 1, diatomaceous earth. Use diatomaceous earth when planting. This natural powder is made from fossilized remains of tiny aquatic organisms called diatoms. The powder creates an abrasive barrier and can kill fungus gnat larvae as they try to emerge from the soil. Simply sprinkle a thin layer of diatomaceous earth on the soil surface of your potted plants. Make sure it is dry, otherwise it will clump up and lose its abrasive properties and won't be as effective. After watering, wait for the soil to dry and reapply. Caution: when sprinkling diatomaceous earth, it is best to wear a mask to avoid inhaling the powder, as it can irritate the lungs. Number 2, yellow sticky traps. If you haven't seen our video on yellow sticky traps, check it out. Sticky traps are non-toxic, inexpensive, and easy to use. Number 3, neem oil. Neem oil is a natural pesticide that can disrupt the life cycle of fungus gnats. It works by suffocating the larvae and repelling adult gnats. To use: mix neem oil with water according to the instructions and apply it to the soil. You can also use it as a foliar spray to keep adult gnats away. Number 4, sand or gravel. Placing a 1 to 2 inch layer of sand or gravel on the top will reduce moisture and deter fungus. Here are a few do-it-yourself ways to get rid of and deter fungus gnats, most of which you already have lying around your home or pantry. Number 5, hydrogen peroxide solution. Mix 1 part 3% hydrogen peroxide with 4 parts water. Use this mixture to water your plant. This will kill fungus gnat larvae in the soil. Number 6, cinnamon, straight from your pantry. Sprinkle ground cinnamon on the surface soil. It will help prevent the growth of fungi that attract fungus gnats. Number 7, apple cider vinegar. Fill a bowl about half full of apple cider vinegar. Place 2 tablespoons of sugar. Add 3 to 4 drops of dishwashing liquid. Mix well. Number 8, watering. Watering is key. Fungus. Gnats are attracted to moist organic matter. You want to water only when plants need it, or when the top inch is dry. Water from the bottom by placing the plant on a tray of water, letting the plant absorb the water from its roots. Using one or a combination of these methods will provide the best results in controlling and eliminating fungus gnats. We at Backyard University hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have any other backyard questions or concerns, check out some of our other videos, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.